Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a different type of watch face for you all. This one is going to be your daytime watch face. Now, I thought it was nice. I thought the design was definitely unique, but let's look at it. The name of the watch face is called JE123. It's a very nice looking watch face. I love the unique way to tell time on this one, and I thought the developer, he did a great job with this one. Definitely different from what you're going to see in the Gear Manager store. And in the AOD mode, you are going to get pretty much the same look. It's going to be in a black and white thing, but it's still gonna look nice. Now, once the watch face is on, I do like that your information for your time of what time it is right up front, 10:41. That's not a bad look. You're gonna get the day of the week, and of course your month and your date down at the bottom, and of course your traditional hour that's gonna tick around to let you know exactly what time it is. In the center, you're gonna get your heart rate information, step information, and of course your battery information. And with the battery, it has a meter to let you know just about where you are with your battery info. So again, I thought the developer did a great job on this watch face. I like different, I do like unique. Question is, what did you think? All right, I would like to know, people, is this a download or leave it right where it's at? And yes, we got more freebies coming. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this quick video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all are having a fantastic day, and hit the like button on the way out, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna see you all again at the next video. Take care.